Where the hell are we?
It looks like a post-apocalyptic wasteland.
Are we seriously gonna be stuck here for the rest of our lives?
And how did this wasteland even come to be?
I'll tell you how.
Ah!
Who are you?
My name is Bob Random, and how the hell did you get here?
And then we teleported here.
I can't believe you're the one who killed my own boss. Granted, he was an asshole, but still.
He was a nihilistic asshole. He deserved it.
That's quite the story. It is nice that your universe's version of Bob Random has been successful fighting against the Illuminati, unlike me.
What do you mean?
Just look around you. Does any of this resemble a success?
But how?
It all started one day when a friend of mine betrayed me and I almost died, but I was saved and my dead body parts were replaced with cyborg parts. As my war with the Illuminati partners raged on, more and more of my body was replaced until I was completely cyborg.
It must have been very painful.
Not as painful as when the Illuminati partners were so scared of me to decide to team up to nuke the whole planet.
So that's why everything looks like the way it does.
Everyone who wasn't a rich elite bastard hiding in a nuclear bunker was killed, including me.
Then how are you here?
Because of their foolish pride, one of the Illuminati partners grew morbidly curious about how I came to be as effective as I was, and transferred my mind into this cyborg AI body you see before me now.
And after you woke up, you decided to kill them all?
I grabbed the laser gun that they held and went on a rampage of grief over how everything I did was for nothing. Eventually, I killed all of them.
And what then?
Since there are no humans alive, I decided to start repopulating the planet with plants the elite stored in their underground greenhouses. It will take thousands of years before any significant population growth occurs.
And we're stuck here too.
At least it's peaceful. Besides, what's the worst that can happen?
That should be enough people to power the alternate universe machine.
Could you not have found anyone alive? Dead people offer a lot less power than living ones.
Well then they shouldn't have resisted.
Whatever. Open the portal. Okay, let's go through.
But there is a problem.
What is it?
There's only enough power to send through one of us to an alternate universe. If more than one goes through, then the machine will explode and kill us all.
Then why not build the machine with more power?
We could do that, but it would cause significant delays.
And that could give a chance for our potential enemies to find us.
So, what do you suggest we do?
I will go first.
But you are the leader.
And a leader needs to set a good example to their followers.
Okay, I will be able to follow your vitals from here, as well as be able to see and hear everything you do.
I will return victorious.
You want to wipe out humanity?
Don't you? You're an AI just like me. Surely you can see how stupid and imperfect they are.
The destruction of humanity has brought me nothing but grief and shame. I won't let it happen again.
So be it.
You shot the leader with your laser gun!
Yes, I did.
And now he's lying on the ground like a bitch at your feet.
2 damage to repair. Activate self-destruct.
Are you okay?
System diagnostics indicated damage is too great to repair.
But you're a cyborg. You can be fixed.
There's no point. I don't deserve to live. Besides, there's only one useful thing I can do.
What is that?
First, I need to scan the leader. Next, I need to scan you, bird. And finally, I need to scan you, Megan. Scan complete. Have enough data to make this. That is a remote control that will take you to alternate universes. Unfortunately, I do not have enough data to make it so that you can pick a specific universe you can go to.
So we're just supposed to keep going to random alternate universes until we reach our original one?
Sorry, this is the best I could do.
It's okay. And you won't be stuck in this hellscape forever.
Just make sure the AI are stopped.
Don't worry, we will.
Ugh.
Let's leave this depressing world.
Without burying him.
What's the point?
Because it's the right thing to do.
Well, I can't do it, and you don't have the physical strength. Besides, I don't see any shovels.
Fine, let's go.